guys, it's Aidette. Today I am bringing to you a FashionNova haul, and I have never done one of these on my channel before, but here I am today. I am now a FashionNova ambassador. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Don't worry, because today it's not going to feel like a sponsored video. I'm just going to show you guys some cute pieces that are very inexpensive. Let's get right into the video. So today I'm actually wearing one of the outfits from FashionNova, and this little top here says Angel. It's a cute little long sleeve, and it is actually the cutest little top ever. I have been in the search for a top like this because I haven't owned a top like this since I was a little girl. Super cute, and it snatches you. It's like very like skin tight, and I love that about it. Like, you guys cannot tell me that this doesn't give you like 90s vibes. Then I'm also wearing some jeans from FashionNova, and I swear to you guys, when they say that FashionNova jeans fit the best, they are not joking. I haven't had a pair of FashionNova jeans in so long, and they fit like this. So girl, am I impressed? This right here is what the waist looks like, and it is super cute. I haven't seen any jeans like this as of recent. I feel like these were all just like vintage-esque type jeans, how they used to look back then. I normally like when the pockets are like smaller, honestly, because they do make your butt look bigger. And this is what the bottom looks like. It's just cuffed and very simple to the point. They're pretty much like boyfriend jeans. I'm also gonna give you guys a better view of what my outfit looked like today. I'm gonna put it right here. This is already on Instagram, so if you guys want to go give that picture a like, go ahead and do that. So just for size reference, I am 5'1" and I wear a size 5. So next up is this dress right here. This is a basic, just black everyday dress. I love picking up basic pieces from FashionNova because they fit very nicely. Cotton material for me is everything, because if something is the tiniest little bit too big, I can throw it in the wash, throw it in the dryer, and then it is perfectly like suction cupped to my body. As you guys can see, this dress is kind of made to go like this, so it just really fits your curves perfectly, and it goes with everything. You can put this on with some sneakers, you can put it on with a bunch of chains and necklaces and some heels. Girl, you're gonna look like $1,000,000 when this was in reality like $10. And if you do want to be like very classy but sexy at the same time, girl, I got you. So that's actually why I got these lace sheer tights. They are so pretty. Let me just give you guys a little close up. I'll post a picture right here of how they look on, but these are going to be so beautiful for under like any short dresses, especially with this specific black one. I got that one to match with this with some cute black heels, and just kind of giving you like a Margot Robbie type of vibe. And of course, I got another set. I would say like a little bit more scandalous because they do have rhinestones. You're gonna get more attention with these, of course. They do have two sides open, but if you have a dress over top of that, obviously you're not going to see that. So I mainly just got these because they do have rhinestones and they're really pretty fishnets. So I love doing try on hauls because I get to show you guys what it looks like on me, and if you guys have similar body types to me, then you guys will know exactly how these will fit. Then I got these jeans right here. These are jeans that are ripped, but they do have a little bit of spice to them. They do have this meshing with rhinestones on it. Sometimes you do want to do some tweaking to them, so I feel like personally there is too much of this going on top of the rhinestones because it's just like too much texture. So what I would do is just take off, but I am going to be trimming some more of this distressing out and do both on the areas where it does have the rhinestones. But I do want the rhinestones to be more of like the focus instead of the distressing, because it kind of feels like too much. Here we have this plain dress. Keep in mind, most of these items that I got here are basics, which is the best in my opinion because you can do so much with all of these items. I got this plain gray tight dress. I had been very into the slick back and earrings and just a beat face type look. That's what I did with today's look, as you guys can tell. You can see that you can zip it up or down, and this is what it looks like on. She's very cute, flatters your curves. I actually saw a girl wear a similar dress to this and she looked amazing, so I said I have to recreate this look. Like, it just looked too good. She was like in golden hour, her hair was slicked back, she had a cute little purse. It was just everything. So I was like, I want to be cute like her. So gorgeous. And imagine just wearing this to like in front of a Tiffany store and you're just like, oh, you know, I'm just here being gorgeous. And I have one more pair of jeans to show you guys. I got a bunch of jeans because we already know that Fashion Nova has the best fitting jeans. I don't know what it is about them, but they just really cinch you in and make your booty pop. So these are a darker wash. I don't have dark wash jeans, so I said let me just try it because I know one day I'm gonna need some nice fitting dark wash jeans. You guys can see from the front that they're high-waisted and stretchy. So cute. These are more skinny jeans, but the pockets are smaller and then it has that curve around the butt, so it makes your booty look bigger. I'm just starting to notice that I got quite a bit of dresses, but I'm not complaining. These are really cute. Again, I got another essential dress. This one's a navy blue color, and I thought that this would be really cute with a tiny little bag, and then you're just out shopping, strolling, doing your thing. And it goes all the way down to your ankles, I believe. If you're taller than me, I'm 5'1". Like, okay, I am hella excited for this piece right here. I actually saw my friend Kiara wearing this. I'm sure you guys all know Kiara. She wore this and I was like, holy duck, where did she get that outfit? So cute. It gave me like Gucci vibes and I was living for it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a one piece, and I normally don't wear one pieces because I always felt kind of like a sausage in them. This is also in a size small. For some reason I thought maybe I got it in a medium, but it just goes over your neck. It fits you like this. You know that we all need a good pair of cinching in leggings. We all love to wear leggings, but sometimes you can't be wearing leggings out to the club. So I picked up these faux leather leggings, and in the inside they're not the same material as the outside. They're like a almost like a suede material, like a fiber material. It feels really smooth and soft, and it feels like it's going to keep you pretty warm. It's just torture to get into them, but these are going to keep you toasty, and these are actually high waist tummy tuckers. So this is going to go over your tummy, cinch you in, and make you look like you've been working out every single day of your life. Then I got a workout set, and I'm so excited to wear this because I've been meaning to get a really cute workout set so I can go run up the hills in LA and be a cute little hiker at like 5 in the morning. This is like a mauve color. It's almost lavender, but it's more like on the pinky side. You guys know I love anything pink, and that's what she looks like. I think I might have got the top in a little bit too small of a size because I am a double D right now. So cute. That's how it looks like on. This is what the set looks like. And for the last pair of jeans, so my mom's gonna kick my butt for this one. These are also in a size 5. So they are kind of like an ombre effect, and I can't wait to wear these. They're gonna be so cute. Like at an outdoor little lunch scenario. There's like 2 little butt cutouts, and I tried making some pants like this before, and then my mom threw away those pants because she was like, why are you wearing these? And then this is what the rips look like. So this is how they fit. Very cute. I can't wait to style these because I've seen several people wear pants like this, and I've always thought I want to wear them too. They're so cute. Second to last item, this one, I want to go somewhere fancy just to wear this dress because I'm going to feel like a whole princess. So this is what she looks like. This is completely giving me like Cinderella vibes, Princess Jasmine vibes, and I am just so excited to wear it. Like, it's all ruched up, and then on the side it has all of these diamonds, and it also does have padding on the boobies, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. And I love not wearing a bra. Sometimes bras can just be so annoying. You have to pull them up, and oh, we all know what the struggle is. And then the arms are mesh, so it makes you look very just sensual. All right, and now we are at the end of our haul. This is the last piece. I got this purposely because it gave me juicy vibes, and I adore that. I love being comfy, and it gives me like that Kim K vibe. You know that Kim K picture, the very famous one that she took on top of her car? So cute. So basically this is just a velour set in baby pink. All right guys, thank you guys so much for watching my FashionNova Try-On haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more try-on hauls, let me know because I love doing them for you guys. It's just so fun to play dress up with you guys. That's kind of how it feels like to me. Or like, you know, when you get a new package and you just rip it open and show your best friends, you're like, look at what I got, so cute. I don't know, I've always done that. that. But thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.